And this portion of the video is sponsored from the Reserve. My package came like this. Now, the Reserve, what they want to do is they want to simplify what you put in your body. And their mission is to offer quality, ancient superfoods to incorporate in your routine to become the healthiest version of yourself. These are simple, nutritious, nutrient powerhouses full of fibers, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And they have the secret to a healthy lifestyle starts with healthy nutrition, less processed food and more superfoods. Now, I received these hair, skin, and nail gummies. They are sugar-free and gluten-free. They have strawberry flavor. They always let you know their market. I also received this super hand sanitizer with alcohol, witch hazel, and 5 essential oils. And you guys, I have been using this, and I promise you, I do love it. At first, I felt like I had to get used to the witch hazel smell, but I promise you, you guys, you will love this hand sanitizer. It doesn't dry out your hand as well like regular alcohol sanitizer does. So I highly recommend it. Now, far as my superfoods, I did go with, that blue spirullo. Now, the blue spirullo is plant-based superfood powder, 100% natural, vibrant color. The color is very blue, you guys. It helps with memory and gut health. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It's certified vegan-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, and keto-friendly. Then I also have the organic maca, which is another plant-based superfood. It balances your mood, increases your energy, fights stress, rich in antioxidants and nutrients, endurance booster. Now, that blue spirullo is easy to mix in your drinks, but this maca, it has a slightly earthy taste with a nutty undertone, and you can mix this in your food as well. It is a adaptogen powder. It's full of B1, B2, C, and E vitamins. It does boost your energy level and balance your hormone levels. Then we have the organic ashwagandha. It is also plant-based, USDA organic, balance your mood, increases your energy, fights stress, helps reduce blood sugar levels, helps increase muscle strength. It's vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Now, this one has a kind of a bitter with an earthly undertone taste as well. You can mix this in your food, or you can make a drink, but I do recommend mixing this one with your food, you guys. All of the ingredients that they use to put in this superfood is here. They do pull their plants from different places. They pull them from the place that they're actually originally grown to give you the best of what you need. Most of these still are soy free and sugar free and dairy free and caffeine free. You guys, please make sure you check out that link. Now, here I'm showing you what these skin and nail vitamins look like. You guys, they have a strawberry flavor. I promise you, I've been using these, and I will tell you, after I started using them, within 1 week, my nails actually started to grow. My nails are very brittle and soft, but they actually strengthen my nail. I do recommend all of them. Please do make sure you check out the Reserve link down in my description. You guys, I am on a healthy journey. I'm taking back this body of mine, and it requires me to do something different.